What's going on, Mixon Nights? Today we are going to do a cardio HIIT training that's going to work the full body. So we're going to have 8 different exercises. Now with each of those exercises, it's going to last around 45 seconds with 15 seconds in between those exercises. Now with that being said, I want you to pace yourself. So try to get around 12 to 15 reps on each exercise, all right? Now subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, and let's get started. All right, again, well, I already did this already, so I messed up. But anyway, core, super duper tight, 15 seconds, drink some water, take a break if you need to, get a breather. All right, mountain climbers, go down to the ground. So I really hit the quads, really hit the shoulders, really hit the core. So nice little superset to the workout we did previously, all right? All right, let's get right back into it. Push-ups. Chest is pretty pumped up, all right? So we're gonna do some squats next. Prison squats to be exact. All right, 15 should be your goal, all right? Let's go to it. All right, so we did chest, we did core, we did legs. Let's bring it all together with a burpee, all right? 15, King say, how you wanna say it, that's your minimum. Definitely felt that. All right, we're gonna run it down, slow it down a little bit. Do some alternating lunges. Work the quads, front of the legs. All right, so you might gonna like this one. We're gonna lay it down, all right? We'll get a chance to lay down. All right, reverse crunch is gonna be next. We're gonna take it as low as possible. All right, we did a couple extra seconds of that one, but this is gonna be easy. Jumping jacks. Let's get ready to go. This is it. So that's it. That is your cardio HIIT training, full body, all right? So do this 2 more times, all right? Try to get to 15 reps. It should go down from there. Don't go no lower than 10, but if you do, that's okay. I'm telling you right now, if you stick with the program, eventually this will be your warm-up, all right? Now with that being said, subscribe to the channel, turn on the push notifications. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like button and we'll get the party started. Peace.